BOTAJELL over here, riding, kid, riding. I gotta build me a motor for this thing, man.
The sun.
No kidding. Yo, what up, Suave, king of freestyle, kid? We're just concerned. Hopefully you're doing well during these times with this virus shit going around. We're staying quarantined. All right, me and my cousin Anthony, we're over here just hitting some weights and listening to none other than the king of freestyle, Suave, kid. Any questions? Hope you and your family are doing well, all right? What up, people? What up? We're here with Nitro cousin Anthony and Nutella. Shout out to Nutella, kid. We want to just give a big shout out to Claudio from Lisbon Cafe, one of our brat brothers. I got him his first fifth scale, which is a King Motor X2. The problem with Claudio is he doesn't have time to run RC at all. Let me just bring you in here. So during these rough times, we still keep busy, all right? We're still trying to stay positive. Obviously, our appetite has not changed. We have a big ass appetite still. We just want to say we hope everyone is doing well, stay healthy, and try to stay positive. After this, I can't wait to go home and start wrenching. I have to start wrenching. I only have a few hours left before I get some rest to go to work tomorrow early. So I just want to start wrenching, so stay tuned. I know you're watching, Claudio. Check this out. I will show it. Claudio tells me, oh, you got to lift up the ham. You got to show the people the steak. Well, here it is, people. Here it is. It's not just ham, man. Lisbon Cafe, kid. All right, look at that. Here it is. It's beautiful here. Look at this. Serious right here. All right. Anthony's got the prime rib, and I got the skirt steak today. Oh, man. Over here. Just getting home now. Check it out. We got the boss over here. Maybe you're doing some hard work here, kid. Zah. Just got home now. Everything is like, this is so strange. It's like a ghost town, right, babe? Look at all the trees starting to blossom. Nice shit. It was a nice bike ride to Anthony's house, babe. Here's a look at the Harley with, I should bust it out, but that Amsoil washer and wax is pretty good. It's pretty nice. I put it on everything. It's pretty good. I'll definitely try it out on the RC bodies in the future. Here it is. This is what I was talking about. So it's pretty cool. Pretty good. Can't wait to start putting my fig trees outside. It's still too early. I'll probably put them all outside after Easter. All right, people. So what we got here is a box from BROVAN RC. I've had it here for a while. This came to me so quick, and I'm much appreciated for that. All right, so here we go. We got ourselves part number 670672. All right, has a beautiful red handle. This is my favorite style of handle, man, right here. All right, it looks almost just like the stock, but it's stronger. It's heavier dutier. All right, let's take it out of the package. Real quick before I go any further. If you guys ever want to buy these foot spa shits, all right, if you ever come across these, save yourself the money. It's junk, complete junk, and a complete ripoff, man. It didn't even come with the damn. It only came with this. They tricked me. It only comes with this. It doesn't even come with the foot tub. That's extra. They got me, man. It's the first and last thing I ever buy from Instagram. Look at this. Foot spa. Doesn't do nothing, man. Doesn't do nothing. Doesn't work. To return it, you can't return it. It's a hassle. It's a hassle, man. They don't even get back to you. It's terrible. Never again. So, I highly recommend every RCer get. What a great knife. It's beautiful. Feels great. It's not too fat. It's just great. You know, you can switch blades out. You have a fresh blade every time. All right, you have to put it on an angle like this, pop it out. Very nice. All right, we use these all day at work. And it's strong, man. This thing's strong. I've used this. I cut many boards of sheetrock with this. Many boards. All right, I do have a special knife for when I just do sheetrock work, but Man, I've used this many times. All right, here's a close-up. It's very nice. This is my favorite handle, man. I don't care if it's plastic. Plastic is even better. But this is just feels great. Feels great. Speaking of plastic pull start handles and this type of feel, I got more of them here. I showed them before in the past, but just in case, if you want an orange one, here's the part number. If you want a black one, I have one around here somewhere. Here we go. There's the part number for the black one. All right, so this one here, I noticed when you pull it out, it's got like a ratcheting noise to it. All right, just to give you a heads up. And this pull start here, you do not want to over pull it. Please do not over pull these pull starts. All right, E-word Oreo, sorry about him. He's over here just, but do not over pull these and just go slow with these, man. Let the pull start work for you. It will last you a much longer time. But check this out, man. Even the rope. This rope is nice. Look at this rope. Come on, focus. Look at that. This rope is nice. All right. So, yeah, let's give it a try. It also comes with hardware. All right. Tank is doing well. No more snap, crackle, pop. All right. Some of you guys had asked me, oh, how do your brackets, your homemade brackets come out? Well, they're doing good, man. It's holding up all the weight. I wound up tightening up this a little bit more. It's actually finally squeezed in. Look at that. All right. So it's working good. This is what it looks like. My friend Dan, he was concerned. He also had an issue like that. He wound up throwing his tank out because of that. But yeah, man, all you had to do is something like this. You know, that's it. That sucks if you had to throw your tank out, but this is all I did, man. These little valve brackets, you put a bolt through here with a lock nut, and you tighten up until it comes back together. That'll prevent it from spreading out. All right, people, so I want to pop this in real quick before I call it quits tonight. It's already late. All right, there it is. Check it out, people. I'm using my King Motor tool. All right, comes in a beautiful tool case. I don't know if they still have these available now, but I've had this already for a while. Check it out. Comes with a nice case. I've had this for a while. Yeah, it's pretty cool. There's plenty of room to add more tools to it. This is nice to carry with you. So I still have to do a video of setting up a RC toolbox, a carry one. All right, I'm not happy with my Milwaukee bag. I'm not happy with that. And I'm not happy with my big ass. I don't know if you guys can see it. That baby right here. It's just way too heavy, too big. This is a close look. Still have the same original servos. Everything's still working good, but one day I got to replace that battery. We're going to put a life battery in there. All right, here's a look at the other one. All right, some time has passed. It's been actually 2 weeks that went by. We got another box here to unbox. We should have the pull start here and the inner piece that goes on the flywheel to use this pull start. A couple of weeks went by. Those videos you seen in the beginning, that was a couple of weeks ago. Things are so different here now. I no longer go to my cousin Anthony's house. I no longer go to Atlas Strength. I don't do none of that. I work, come home. That's it. I'm busy. We take care of other things. The little time that I do have, then I'll get back to my RC stuff. But a lot of things going on here, and that's it. So let's get right to it. Let's see what we got. Let's slap this thing on there. Let's fire this up. All right, so let's get to it. All right. We got ourselves another pull start here. Here's the part number. And this is the piece I needed. There we go. All right, look at that. Here's the part number. In order to run this pull start, you're gonna need this here. All right. We also got ourselves a pretty cool King Motor RC sticker, a nice big one, nice fatty. All right, the other ones that I've had are usually like this. These are the ones. All right, so look at that. Nice. Let's put this somewhere, man. Where should we put this? All right, let's put it over here. There you go. Wound up putting it here on my tool bench. All right, let's get busy, kid. I think I'm going to use the other pull start I got because it's got the red handle. Right, so this one is meant for BAJAs, and the other one, I think it's meant for Losis or X2s or BROVAN LTs, but it will work on BAJAs as well, so I don't know. I like that red handle, right? It'll match my Max T. We'll use the one with the red handle. And this is the first one that I got with the red handle. We'll be using this one here. All right. All right, people, so before I put this on here, I tightened up this screw. All right, I just made sure it's snug. I'm gonna use some of this here. All right, I got lots of silicone spray here at home. My favorite is the Amsoil one. You guys know that. Like in many of my past videos, I tell everybody use graphite lubricant. Graphite is what you want to use for your pull starts, but I don't want to go downstairs. I don't feel like going downstairs to get that. This will work just fine. It'll dry up, be fine. Anybody could get this here. All right, get it from Ace, and that's it. We use a lot of this at work. It works great. All right, it'll dry up. So, this is better than nothing. It's good for the rope. It's good for your mechanisms. This doesn't do any harm whatsoever. All right. All right, another thing is some guys like to seal this up. See this hole here? You could seal this up with silicone glue. That way that'll help prevent. You can also put a dab of silicone around everything here just to help prevent garbage going inside, or sand or pebbles. All right, but I'm not going to be doing that. And that way a little bit of air gets in here, but if you wanted to, you could seal this up, yes, and then you can drill little holes here if you wanted to, if it bothered you. All right, yes, and then you can always put a bigger outerwear over this if you wanted to. You could drill holes through here. That way it breathes, right? Because air is getting sucked in through here going into your flywheel. But again, I had never had any issue with overheating a stock 45cc. So I wouldn't mind sealing this sucker up at all. I wouldn't mind doing it. But I won't be doing it today. All right, got this on. I Loctited it. Yeah, I like it with the red handle here first. A little better, huh? That's the plastic one, the one I wanted. I don't like the aluminum one, but all right, check it out. Yeah. Super easy to turn this over now. Oh shit, I think it almost fired right there. I felt that piston. Yeah, let's see what happens. Heard that? Oh shit. Let me give it a little bit of fuel here. Just a little bit. Let's see what happens. What, son? Snap, crackle, pop, kid. Pop. pow, kid. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing here. The old pull start here, I'm just gonna take it apart. Take it apart since it's shot and I don't like this style. I'd rather have the other style. I'm gonna save this rope. The rope is good. And if anything, save your handle. You can take the handle out, cut the rope, save this handle for your other engines. This handle feels so nice in the hand. You know what I'm saying? It's way better than your CYs and your Zenoa pull starts, handle-wise, you know? And this rope is good. You can even save the rope. This rope could be good for your other pull starts, even your regular ones. You know, that's what I'm gonna do. You never know. If you don't need it, one of your friends may need it. One of your boys that you're out bashing with, they may have an issue. So always save parts. You could help somebody out when you're out there in the field. You never know. All right, another thing I want to do is add some weight to the front end. This is kind of heavy, man, right here. It's probably too much. Let's go weigh these. Just so that I have it on my records. All right, so what we got here is a square block of lead. I just put tape on it. I don't want to be touching it. Oh, look at that. 7.65 ounces. All right. And then we have this guy here, this big one here. Damn. 18.45 ounces. All right. So I'm probably just going to put this guy here. All right, we're going to do the 7.6965. 7.65. All right. I'm going to be putting this all the way up front, so that'll even give it some leverage. All right, so it'll even act better. Because if I put this in the center or by the front or by the steering servo, it won't be as good if I put it out further. So I want to put this in the bumper, up front by the bumper. All right, so it'll make this kind of heavier. All right, it'll be the same weight, but it'll be in a more of in a leverage spot. You understand? So it would work better the further up. Oh, that's perfect.